What if I told you that you could start making money while you sleep? And I'm not talking about some risky scheme. I'm talking about proven methods that actually work. If you want to unlock true passive income and get out of the 9-5 grind, this video is for you. Imagine waking up every day with money flowing into your account, all without having to trade your time for money. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid roadmap to make your first $500, $1,000, or even more, all while you sleep. When I first started, I was overwhelmed. I didn't know where to begin. I tried everything: side hustles, investing, even flipping products, but nothing seemed to work consistently. It was like playing Roblox, grinding for hours, only to realize I wasn't earning enough to level up. I was working so hard but seeing very little in return. But everything changed when I started looking at systems that create long-term, passive income. It's like unlocking a hidden Roblox cheat code, except this one works for your finances. What if you could just set things up once and watch your money grow without constantly working? That's exactly what these methods did for me, and they can do the same for you. 10 proven income methods for passive cash. Alright, let's dive into the 10 proven methods I use to generate passive income. You can do this too. No experience required, and trust me, these methods work. Let's break them down step by step. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most straightforward ways to generate passive income. You promote a product and earn a commission when someone buys it through your link. Imagine getting paid to promote your favorite Roblox game to your friends. You do not have to design products, maintain inventory, or deal with customer service. A simple blog, social media post, or YouTube channel can help you generate money. I personally recommend using platforms such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank to identify products that fit your niche. It's scalable, and once your material is out, it will work for you passively. Number 2. Print on demand. Print on demand is a great method to sell things without ever having to touch them. You can make your own designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone covers, and more using sites like Printful or Teespring. The platform takes care of everything from printing to delivery after a customer buys. You choose the price, and you keep the money. This strategy doesn't take much work. All you have to do is make attractive designs and sell them. It's like opening an online store that is always open. I've seen folks make between $200 and $1,000 a month with just a few designs. You don't have to worry about keeping track of inventory, and it's easy for beginners to use. Number 3. Faceless YouTube channel. One of the best ways to get money without doing anything is to create a YouTube channel without showing your face. The best part? You don't have to be on camera. You can make high-quality material with AI-generated voices, screen recordings, or presentations. Choose a niche, such as tech, motivation, or AI tools to get started. Your videos can remain producing money for years through ad income and affiliate links once they are out there. I've made between $300 and $5,000 a month on YouTube, all by making content without showing my face. Consistency, SEO, and making videos that are useful are the most important things. It's like setting up a machine that makes money on its own. Number 4. Digital products. One of the best methods to make money without having to worry about shipping or inventory is to sell digital goods. You may make ebooks, online courses, or even printables that others can download. You can sell the product for as long as you want after you make it. What's the best part? After that, you won't have to do any work by hand. For example, I made a digital planner and sold it on Gumroad. It started making about $500 a month in passive revenue after a few months, and it still sells every month. Gumroad and Etsy are great for this because they let you set up your business quickly and start making money without having to pay anything up front. Number 5. Investing in dividend stocks. Investing in dividends is a reliable way to make money without doing anything. When you acquire shares in a company that pays dividends, you get payments every so often solely for owning the stock. This is a way that works and doesn't take much work. As time goes on, your returns will grow along with your investments. I've profited between $500 and $1,500 a month just from dividends. The key is to reinvest your dividends and put your money into blue-chip stocks, which are stable corporations that have paid dividends consistently in the past. You can get started easily with apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance, and you don't need a lot of money to do so. At start, it moves slowly, but it picks up speed over time. Number 6. Renting out your space. Do you have an empty room or perhaps a parking space in your house? Renting out space is a terrific method to make money without having to do anything. It's possible to rent out a room or even a whole house to guests with services like Airbnb. Renting out a garage or parking space is a good place to start if you're not ready for Airbnb. Renting out an extra room has made me between $200 and $1,000 a month. You don't have to do much, just keep the area clean and make it feel pleasant. If you own more than one property, this strategy is very scalable, and it's a great way to make money from space you don't use. Number 7. Dropshipping. You may manage an online store without having to bother about storing, packaging, or delivering products using dropshipping. The provider sends the product straight to the customer when they place an order. The best thing is you don't deal with any actual goods. By picking the correct products and automating the process, I've made between $200 and $5,000 a month using dropshipping. It's easy to set up your store on platforms like Shopify, and you can utilize tools like Oberlo to identify suppliers. The most important thing is to find out what products are popular and make your business as conversion-friendly as possible. It's not too risky, but you need to be smart about whatever products you choose and how you promote them. Number 8. AI tools for automation. By automating jobs that take a lot of time, AI systems have made it possible to make money without doing anything. AI can do everything, from making content to running social media accounts. I utilize AI to write blog pieces and automate my email marketing, for example. AI technologies like ChatGPT can help you write, and systems like Buffer and Hootsuite can help you plan and manage your social media posts. You may save hours every week and let the systems do the work for you with automation. You're leaving money on the table if you don't use AI. It's a game changer that makes it easier than ever to make money without doing anything. Number 9. Real estate crowdfunding. The best way for you to get into real estate if you've always wanted to but don't have the money to buy a home. You can put small sums of money into big real estate projects through crowdfunding sites like Fundrise. You make money without doing anything when the property rents out or goes up in value. You don't have to take care of the property using this strategy, and you can start with just $500. I've put money into a few projects and made between $200 and $500 a month in dividends. It's a terrific method to get more streams of income without having to put down a lot of money up front. Number 10. Automated online courses. Making an online course is a great way to use what you know and get money without doing anything. You may make and sell courses on any subject, from tech to marketing to personal growth, using platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy. After you make the course, you may market it and then relax as students sign up and learn. I generated thousands of dollars with courses I made once and then automated utilizing these platforms. The best thing about online courses is that they can grow. Once the course is live, you don't have to keep making new content. The money comes in passively as long as you maintain marketing. These ideas aren't just ideas. I've tried them myself and seen real benefits. For instance, only the affiliate marketing and YouTube channel approaches have made me more than $5,000 a month. My print-on-demand store made $2,000 last month without me doing anything. And that's not even adding the $1,000 I earn in dividends every few months. Believe me, this works. Many people fall victim to the shiny object syndrome. They start something, get sidetracked by the next big thing, and never finish it. The real story? You need to be consistent with these strategies. Another error I find is not realizing how powerful automation is. Using tools like ChatGPT or other AI technologies can help you make more money and save you time. So there you have it. 10 proven methods to start making passive cash. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, if I can do it, you can too. Now it's your turn. Comment below which method you'll start with, and don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next video, where I'll dive deeper into how to scale your passive income even further.